Yesterday, Sunday, the timing here changed. So we went 1 hour behind. Previously, the timing here in France is 1 hour ahead of Nigeria. That is, if it is 11 a.m., for instance, in here, it will be 10 a.m. in Nigeria. But currently, we are sharing the same time with Nigeria. That is, if it is anytime here, will also be the same time in Nigeria. 10 a.m. here will be 10 a.m. in Nigeria. So those in UK now, they have gone 1 hour behind Nigeria, meaning that Nigeria is now ahead of them. So before, it used to be the same time with Nigeria, those in UK. You feel me? So these changes actually affect countries in the northern and in the southern hemisphere. So those countries, like in the European countries here, they are in the northern hemisphere, while countries like New Zealand, Australia, they are in the southern hemisphere. It will also affect them, but it will not affect countries in the equator like Nigeria, Ghana. You understand? So that's it. But these changes actually affected me. It affected me in timing my prayer. Before, I have an app on my phone that used to ring whenever it is time for prayer. You understand? But I have to uninstall the app because there was a day, the last time I was in class, my phone rang. So causing demand that I uninstalled it because to avoid future occurrence. But at least I can calculate the timing by searching on Google the latest timing. So then before yesterday, I prayed Subi prayer at exactly 7:20, 7:15. 7:15. So the following day, I was thinking, okay, I set the alarm 7:15, thinking it will be 7:15. So when I woke up, I just see that everywhere is bright. Everywhere was bright. So I now check the timing. I now check Google again. What's the time? And I was like, it is now 6:21. That's almost 1 hour. That's 50 something minutes difference. So that's how drastic the changes in weather here can be. From 7:15 now to 6:21. Just see how drastic it could be. So weather here, even weather or the timing is so unpredictable. It's so unpredictable. So it's a different kind of environment entirely from what we have in Nigeria. So that's it. Now, before, when I came here just slightly over a month ago, I used to pray Maghrib by 8:15 p.m. 2015. But currently, as I'm talking to you now, Maghrib is 5:50, 5:55. 5:55 is the current. 5:52. It's 5:52. Yesterday I prayed 5:52. So that's 17:52. So just imagine that change just within a month, like 3 hours different. Then I used to pray Isha by 9:53. That's 21:53. Well, currently it is 7 o'clock. Slightly, approximately 7 o'clock. That's when I pray Isha now. So it is a drastic change here. It's very unpredictable. And if you are even going out, even if the weather is not cold, you cannot just wear something like this and go out. Before you come back, you'll be shivering. So if you just carry your cardigan, go and move along, because if anytime you cannot predict. Before you leave your room, everywhere is okay, but if you go out under some minutes now, you just see that the weather will just change and somebody will start shivering. So everybody, if you see most of the people moving around here, even if they are not wearing the cardigan, they are holding it in their hand because they know the weather can change at any time. So that's how drastic the changes could be here. So it's a different kind of environment entirely.